Diwali is around the corner, and why not make sweets that are super quick to make and also taste super delicious? These coconut laddus are made of desiccated coconut and condensed milk, and they taste absolutely divine, guys. Let's make these together. You will need 400 grams or 4 cups of desiccated coconut and 1 can of condensed milk. You should get the fine shredded coconut. I could find the medium shredded ones, but my 3-year-old son told me that he will use his Superman hands and crush these 2 fine coconut shreds. It wasn't really working out, so we decided to use the grinder. Grinding was surely the way to go. Just a couple of pulses and it came out to the perfect texture. Oh mommy, this totally feels like snow, yay! But thank goodness he stopped playing with the snow because the condensed milk distracted him. It was a torture just watching this, so he had to put his fingers in. I gave him some leftovers in this can, guys, so I added maybe almost 1 can, not all of it. The next ingredient that I added was 4 green cardamom seeds that I crushed and a pinch of salt. Cardamom powder is optional, but it gives the laddu-ness to it, don't you think? And now the easy part, just add in the desiccated coconut half a cup at a time and keep mixing with your spatula. Once it becomes a little difficult to use a spatula, you will need to put in your hands to knead it well, and when it comes to the texture where you think that it's going to hold its shape, we are ready to make laddus. In total, I used 3.5 cups of shredded coconut and almost 1 can of condensed milk. And when I was getting ready to make laddus, my son found Tutti Frutti in the fridge because he knows exactly where it is. And he said, "Mommy, Diwali is colorful, so the laddu should be colorful." So he poured a whole bowl of Tutti Frutti inside. And I thought it wasn't a bad idea because who doesn't like Tutti Frutti, right? And now that I finally have the green signal to make laddus, I took a 2 tablespoon measure so that the laddus came out looking almost the same. These laddus are very easy to shape into balls. They have no cracks. They're super smooth. You will feel like such an accomplished halwai. I'm not kidding. You can roll this in some of the desiccated coconut, dust off any excess coconut flakes, and your laddus are ready. These measurements should give you at least 14 2-inch laddus. My son ate like 3, I think, or maybe 15 or 16, something like that. But they taste chewy, moist, delicious. Who doesn't like condensed milk? Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this and happy Diwali.